Party leaders and candidates contesting in the state elections showed up early and were seen eagerly waiting to fulfill their civic duty before polling centres opened early this morning. Some were already lining up with other voters from as early as 7:30 a.m. while waiting for the polling centres in Selangor, Negri Sembilan, Penang, Kedah, Kelantan and Terengganu to open. Among the early birds in Selangor was Investment, Trade and Industry Minister Tengku Datuk Seri Zafrul Abdul Aziz, who voted at Sekolah Kebangsaaan Puncak Alam 2 for the Jeram state seat, and Pakatan Harapan Lembah Jaya candidate and rapper Syed Ahmad Said Abdul Rahman Alhadad, better known as Altimet, at SMK Seri Keramat. For the northern and east coast, early voters include Penang Chief Minister Chow, Terengganu Barisan National Chairman Datuk Seri Ahmad Said and past President Tan Sri Abdul Hadi Awang. In Negri Sembilan, UMNO Deputy President Datuk Seri Muhammad Hassan also arrived early at SJKC Changhua, Rantau with his wife Datin Sri Raja Salbiah Tengku Nujmuddin at 8:30 a.m.